Nobody wins? The biggest trial since O.J. Simpson? Gayle King didn't mince words on her feelings about the Heard Depp trial. Here's what she said, and a whole lot more. Given how Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's defamation trial has dominated the news cycle, it's unsurprising that even fellow celebs have weighed in. Drew Barrymore caught some ire after she gave her opinion on The Drew Barrymore Show.
It's a 7-layer dip of insanity.
With some perceiving Barrymore's comments as dismissive of the topic of domestic abuse, she apologized via an Instagram video, calling this, quote, a teachable moment. Hot takes on the trial from famous voices didn't stop there, however. During a May comedy gig, Chris Rock launched into a routine lampooning Heard for allegedly defecating in her and Depp's bed. Rock received some critical backlash, but not nearly as much as ex-NSYNCer Lance Bass after he mocked some of Heard's testimony in a TikTok performance. Receiving negative comments on social media, Bass has since deleted the vid. Although it seems in celebs' best interest to stay out of the messy courtroom drama, talk show icon Gayle King has now given her 2 cents. Hitting the red carpet at the Hollywood Reporter's annual Most Powerful People in New York media event, King opened up to Entertainment Tonight about the televised trial.
It's also very sad to me, though, that trial. I don't know how anybody wins in that case. I really don't.
King's CBS Mornings co-hosts Nate Burleson and Tony DeCopel were also on hand, and were likewise confused by the live-streamed nature of the legal drama. DeCopel theorized that the defamation case has become the biggest media courtroom spectacle since O.J. Simpson's trial.
Because no one's been quite crazy enough to make it all televised. Johnny Depp fought for this, remember?
According to IndieWire, Heard and her legal team allegedly tried to prevent the trial from being televised, while Depp's team did not make light of the situation. As Depp testified when asked the reason he sued Heard for defamation, he said, "It was the only time that I was able to speak and use my own voice." Gayle King is no attorney, but legal experts seem to agree with her statement that nobody wins in the trial between Amber Heard and Johnny Depp, no matter who the jury chooses to side with in the end. Legal analyst Dr. Jill Huntley Taylor told Entertainment Weekly, "No matter who wins, there are truly no winners. This is a case of a toxic relationship, and no one is coming out of it unscathed, regardless of whether monies change hands." But she did say that Depp's A-list status and natural charisma might help out his case with the jurors. Meanwhile, entertainment lawyer and founder of Romano Law, Dominic Romano, also told Nicki Swift that both parties have essentially tainted themselves throughout the series of hearings, with nearly everything out in the open, saying, "Both sides have painted a portrait of a very combustible relationship." Much like how Gayle King's colleague questioned why the trial is being live-streamed in the first place, fans also expressed confusion about the very public nature of the hearings. Many took to Twitter to say the case should have never been made available for public consumption. One fan announced, "I'ma say it again, the Depp Heard trial should not be televised. People shouldn't be picking teams like they're watching a football game." Meanwhile, another Twitter user also took issue with how public the trial is, saying, "The Johnny Depp and Amber Heard trial being televised has set us back, man. What the heck am I seeing on YouTube, TikTok, and even on Twitter?" The decision to televise the trial may be raising questions, but there's no doubt it's good for business. According to Court TV, they have never seen such numbers before. John Marks, chief research officer at the Scripps National Networks, the outfit that owns Court TV, shared with Vanity Fair, "I'm sure it doesn't shock you, but we've more than doubled our daytime ratings due to this trial. Unfortunately for the people expressing concern, it will continue to be televised because it's been greenlit by the judge, which means the opinions will continue to pour in."
This is what I like about the news. You got the highest of highs and the lowest of lows, and we get to cover all of it.
Check out one of our newest videos right here. Plus, even more Nicki Swift videos about the latest hot topics are coming soon. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single one.